If this once glass was yours, would you keep driving it to spend $35,000 to completely refresh it inside and outside TOANSFOIMIN IT into a new S63? This is a 15-year-old S500 and right now ITS in pretty rough shape. All the upgrade parts are ready, and in just 1 week it can look like this. The entire interior will be stripped and replaced with new WI-turning iron to a $200,000 S63 once the build is complete. This car will be nothing short of a work of art's class. 2008 to 2024. Full kit interior and exterior kit. Let's do it. Available in different colors. The highest option plug and play. All options are working like in new models. Banknote with $. We accept bank wire, cash, crypto, USDT. Package worldwide shipping. Passenger ship hash aeroplane departure. Push bin for details, price and order. Feel free to contact us. Mobile phone with right arrow. +9715682461001. The best regards.